Magical teeth whiten remedy. Get whitened teeth at home in 2 minutes. Hello friends! I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, now mix all the ingredients very well. Now the time to brush your teeth with this paste for 2 minutes. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us. We are waiting for your feedback and comments.